Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, plumbers. Good afternoon, CB2.
Yeah, it's early.
Yeah. Cracking noon. CB2 late today? Frat life. We're going to let you intro this job. Go ahead, it's all yours. The floor is yours. What's on your mind today?
So this drain's like clogged. We gotta unclog it.
Oh, yeah. What clogged? The one you missed?
How was it there? To look at this job.
Anyway, CB2's with us now, and we're going to go clear a shower drain. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while CB2 and his brother, the Apprentice... Are you tired? Are you yawning? You didn't sleep in enough today? Your 1 hour sleep? As you know, CB2 is the Apprentice. And we're teaching him. Oh, it's painful, but we're teaching him. We'll see you inside. Let me turn the shower on. That's the wrong one. CB, that's not funny. Alright. This shower is slow. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's all gobbled up.
You want gloves?
You ever flat my cell phone? Take my cell phone. I want to get a picture of this. This is crazy. We're going to go classic plunger. That is some serious gobbed up shower. Wow. No wonder it's not going down. Okay. I'm going with the thrift and the power plunger to clear this drain. So you see it's not going down, right? Let's get some water going. You gotta use hot water to heat the drain up, CB. This requires a little bit of flow with hot water to make it work. So what I'm gonna do, make the drain hot, which is hot water coming down. It's steaming. And let's give it a plunge, CB. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. We're going to need, turn my light off, please. Let me see our pliers. It's definitely grout. Wow. Hammer, go get my hammer.
And the
What? What do you got?
the long screwdriver.
Yeah, that cheap screwdriver that we use for a chisel. Alright, hammer screwdriver. I got no grabber. I need a shot back on this. Alright. That's all we need, Chuck. We're going to just chisel this out, okay? That's a lot of grout in there. That's not soap, it's grout. So, let's hope we can get this cleaned out here. Look at this. Oh, definitely grout. Oh. You gotta be kidding me, man. Insane. This is all rock. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, man. This is crazy, man. Why would they do that? Jesus Christmas. Oh, plastic bag. Boom, got it. There we go. It's a shower cap. Ouch, that was my head. Oh, here we go, plastic bag. Alright. I'll show the plastic bag down there. Leave some out. Alright? And then we'll chisel it. We don't want to break the oh my gosh, look at this. of those, Chucky. Wow, look at this, Chucky. How about this? Wow. So this whole line is cement. Ooh-wee.
You want to print, bro?
Let's see what happens here. We're gonna get it, don't worry. There it goes. I don't want to break the trap. You know what I mean? So.
Whoa.
Grab a rag too, Chuck. Thank you. It looks like we have an ABS prior trap. I do not want to break it. I don't know how I even got this up. They might have cemented this in. That's why there's so much grout up here. That's just a snap-in. Better than it was, and we got her done. As you see, all kinds of grout. All you tile guys out there, do not wash your gear out in the plumbing fixtures. You see what happens, it turns to rock. In the end, we got her done. And there goes another satisfied customer. We'll see you at the next one.